Yep. Hearing that? Got a 02 Ford Explorer 4.6, and I don't know if y'all can hear it missing big time. They've been working on it. They've cleared the codes, had the battery undone, so no good mode 6 or anything like that. So if you go to data, you think you're going to go to misfire counters, but since they've been jacking with it and clearing everything, I'm over here and you don't have any misfires. So what you need to do, go over here to function test and do your cylinder contribution test. We'll see how it shows up. Yeah, he's a shaking. Oh yeah. There we go. What's that? Number, the third one, it's number 4, number 8, both in the back. So, yep, that's what you got to do when they've been jacking with it and clearing everything. Like and subscribe.